In this video, we are going to look at how to divide fractions. Let's have a look at first example. 4 over 5 divided by 12 over 10. How to do this fractional division? The first, what we need to do, we need to convert the division symbol to times or multiplication. And for that, when you convert it, we need to flip the second fraction. Instead of 12 over 10, we need to write 10 over 12. So this first part is called dividend and the second part is the divisor. So when you change the division sign to times, you need to change the fraction, which is the divisor. We need to flip that fraction. Now all about, we need to multiply the numerator with the numerator and then multiply denominator with the denominator. After that, we can simplify first, or sometimes just do the multiplication, the top with the top and bottom, and then they do the simplify. I mostly prefer doing the simplifying first, then multiply, which makes your multiplication job easier. What we need to do, we need to check for anything, any common factor between your numerator and denominator, and it's obvious that 4 and 12, it is 4 divided by 4 is 1, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So what I'm doing, that I'm dividing denominator and the numerator by 4, because 4 is the common factor between 4 and 12. Same way, 5 and 10, we can obviously say that 5 goes for 5 times 2, which is 10, and 5 divided by 5 is 5 divided by 5 is 1. So I'm dividing 5 with 5, which leaves 1, and I'm dividing 10 with the 5, the same value, which is 2. So now you can see that we have 2 times 1, which is 2, 3 times 1, which is 3. So the answer is 2 over 3. Let's have a look on at second example, which you can see there's a mixed number. So we have a whole number with the fraction, and second one is also a whole number with the fraction. In that case, the first job is to convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So if you do this conversion, it would be 9 times 2, which is 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7, which is 25 over 9. Then we are doing this job also times, or if you want to leave it now for a while, okay, for this step, so leave that on. Then times plus, so 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4, which is 10 divided by 6. Now what you need to do, you need to makes that multiplication sign. So you know that what we need to do, you need to just put times 6 over 10. And then you know the step is you need to just multiply with the denominator, numerator with the numerator, and the denominator with the denominator, and looking for the common factor. And it is obvious there's 25 and 10. You can divide by 5. I think both we can divide by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, because 5 times 2 is 10, and 5 times 5 is 25. So we are dividing 25 and 10 by 5. And now we have 6 and 9, and you can see that 3 could be the common factor in between, and we can divide by 3. So if you divide 9 by 3, it is 3. If you divide 6 by 3, it will be 2. And you can see that 2 and 2 can cancel again. So anything on the top, I mean anything in the numerator with the denominator, we can cancel. Okay, so now you can see we have only, like, just if you cancel, it's a 1 is left. It's not necessarily you have to show that 1, but if you leave it 1, is that's okay. So now you have just only 3 times 1, which is 3, 5 times 1, which is 5. But you can just finally write down the answer in a mixed number, which is 1, 2 over 3. That's how we need to do the division of the fraction. The fractions, when it's the normal fraction, then we are just converting the division sign to the times sign, and then make sure that you are flipping the fraction, then multiplying the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. And if it's the mixed number, we need to convert to the improper fraction and then follow the same steps that we have done for normal fractions.